welcome back to my channel. Today we're at Jack's Aviation, Myrtle Avenue, Heathrow Airport, and we're gonna film planes and then planes with Sherry's nice. Okay, so now we're back. We're back at planes now. American Airlines A350 Dreamliner. Yeah. Okay, here comes the next plane.
Wing flex on that one, Jack.
So
wing flex. Whoa.
That one, when it was a little bit shaken, and the landing, yeah, I thought it was like, whoa. That was shaken a little bit.
Shaking, didn't it? Do you see the wing flex, Jack?
Yeah.
Do you see the wing flex? Whoa.
I was trying to look at the plane, but it was wobbly a little bit. That's okay.
Jack, I think it's going to be British Airways.
I think American.
A321.
That one there was Iberia.
Yeah.
A350. Dreamliner. Okay.
I reckon, Jack, this next one's going to drop quite quick.
Yeah.
A321. A321, Jack.
Okay, that was a bit really cool. And that one is our next one was the Iberian, like the Boeing 87 Cathay Pacific. It was a bit wobbly, but it clearly tried to land, but it was okay. Oh, here's the next one.
It's got little lights on.
today? What planes you hope to see?
Virgin.
Jack, what planes you hope to see today?
Virgin.
A380?
Virgin's not an A380.
No. I think United's coming, Jack. No, it's Virgin.
Yeah.
Jack, Virgin's coming, A330.
Yes, that's correct. Virgin. Told you.
He's on the move. There he is.
Oh,
There he is, Jack. AC30.
oh God. Oh my God.
Who's next, Jack? What do you reckon?
United.
Brussels Airlines, Jack. Brussels Airlines next, AC20.
Oh.
Oh, Jack, look at the livery on this one. Look at the livery on there.
That guy's a ghost. I'm going to get. I can't grab it. That guy's fake. Really fake.
More British Airways is coming, Jack. Here he comes. Look at that one, Jack. Whoa.
Okay. It's a bit cool, that one was. Yeah. Nice.
Look at that one, Jack. You know that was.
Yeah, really loud.
There we go, Jack. United, Jack.
Oh, yeah.
Oh yeah, that wing flap. Whoa.
That was pretty cool. Okay.
Jack, you went up quick. Wow.
LHR.
Oh, it's AC20, I reckon. He went up quick. Go, Jack. Jack, who's this?
Which house? U20.
Jack, here he comes. Oh, who's this? Oh, no.
No way! 880!
A380! Woo!
Is this Qantas?
Oh, yes. Here we go. Here we go.
Singapore. Whoa! Now that is cool.
Oh, yeah.
A380 Singapore. Wow. Nice one. Whoa! That mum's not coming.
Coming in.
Huh? What do you say?
Come in now.
Sunglasses on.
Thanks. I didn't beat that plane. Oh. Meow, meow, meow. That's it for now. Make sure you like and subscribe, guys.